you find?
Sandy, officer discipline history is not public record, much like personnel records of many professionals, unless a department chooses to release that history or it's obtained through a court order in a criminal case. So I asked Florissant Police Chief Tim Fagan this. Will the department release any disciplinary information about the officer and or whether there were any previous complaints?
At this time, we're not going to release anything. Obviously, there's an ongoing criminal investigation that's occurring, and certainly we don't want to do anything to hinder that investigation and taint that investigation.
Chief Tim Fagan did briefly respond to allegations made in 2 federal lawsuits in which Officer Smith is named. First was a 2015 lawsuit, also naming other officers. It alleges Officer Joshua Smith used excessive and unreasonable force when he shot a man who died. That lawsuit was dismissed in 2016.
Officer Smith used 0 force. He was just present while the incident occurred, and that entire incident was found to be just, and it was all dismissed.
Chief Fagan also addressed a 2018 lawsuit, one with a handwritten court complaint alleging Smith and other officers, quote, used excessive and deadly force on me by kicking me, punched me, kneeing me.
The second incident, unfortunately, there is ongoing litigation about, and so I'm not going to comment specifically about that incident. I will only say that that incident involved a white male that was arrested at the time of that incident.
There's a court date set on that case, June 23rd. Officer Smith's attorney, Scott Rosenblum, also weighed in, issuing this statement in defense of the former Florissant officer, saying, I have been an advocate against police abuse and misconduct my entire career. I would not touch former Minneapolis police officer Derek Chauvin's case with a 10-foot pole. That was clearly murder. I believe what this detective did, Officer Joshua Smith, was simply an accident. Missouri police officer licensing, called Post, will review complaints against officers and consider taking action. But Post is prohibited by Missouri law from disclosing any of its investigative work. Post can only report whether an officer is currently licensed and where he or she is commissioned to work. Chris Hayes with the Fox Files.